Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain COWRYWISE app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a quick breakdown and analysis about COWRYWISE. So COWRYWISE is an Nigerian app that helps you save and invest money easily. It offers automated saving plan, mutual fund investment, and even group saving option. The app is useful, friendly, secure, and licensed by SEC, which is SEC. You can earn better interest rates up to 20% yearly compared to regulated bank. It's great for setting financial goals like rent, school fee, or emergency fund. However, some users have reported issues like delay with the withdrawal or slow customer support. Also, it doesn't offer a stock investment, only mutual fund and fixed income product. There are small fee for certain transactions too. Overall, COWRYWISE is a solid for disciplined savers who want to grow their money safely, but it is not the best option if you need a fast cash access or advanced investment choice. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this mobile app and the investment features about this platform. And that's it.